1, EDSA.
Ako sa Shangri-La. Picture ako kayo ng normal. Okay, boss. O, diba? Ang ganda ng office namin. Oh, ang laki. Beach shoes. Hindi yung mga rubber shoes. So, Jeff. Age needs an experience.
Miranda, and she will handle the session for the empathic leadership.
Out na kayo. Are you a leader? Yes. Okay. Nagulat ako. Sabi ko, ba't ang bilis-bilis sa EDSA? Tayo lang pala pumapasok. Doing it like this. You're doing it. Okay? Here. Sugar coating ang coach. Kina-coach kami, nandun lahat kami. Some of us, it's easy to answer. Vision is important, right?
You know.
3. 2 more. I'm not gonna... We're gonna change that emotion to... Rock it out! No one is too late for a vision. Okay, 5. Masaya ako nung dati sa kumpanya ng bata. Very good! Compassionate. Hindi pa. GM. One is
for the blend siya.
Natin.
Sa Paul Jenga lang na ganito.
Kami ni Miss Winnie, ano.
Sige. Yeah.
Master dito.
Buo sa ibang sa aming doon sa Dino. Nandito na kami.
Was it good? Ako nag-acting na sila. Okay, natawa na. Solving the real problem. And you have this, a simple guideline to always check identity, level your presence, year, from your ID, from your rank. Open, good, open. Okay, what can we... Kasi... Together sa likod. Naramdaman niyo ba? Knees, neck, shoulder, head, and again. For our children. I elevate and inspire those around.